No, don't eat it. Loki, no. Don't eat it. Loki. Aw. Della, it's a pumpkin. Don't eat it. Don't eat it. It's not food. No, it's not food for you. Stop, Loki. You're gonna ruin it. I got a good pumpkin. Is you gonna... No. No, 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 no. No eating it. Della, do you like it? What do you think? Oh, you can't even see that. Hello YouTube, it's Nessa from Nessa Aesthetics and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if it is your first time. Today, I've got a pumpkin. So, about this, it is a beautiful pumpkin. It doesn't look so beautiful on this side, but this is the side we're gonna focus on. And we are gonna carve it. And, can you not? And I thought long and hard about what I wanted to carve. Put your feet up. Come here. Say hi. He really wants to eat the pumpkin, don't you? No, you can't eat. No, you can't have it. Look, it's mine. So I thought about doing. Come on. No, you can't get on this. Looky. You can stand there, but you can't get on the table. What? No. No. Loki. Do you hear him? No. So I thought about a lot of ideas for this pumpkin. I thought going more of a traditional route. I thought maybe something Halloween-y. I thought maybe poutine. I really contemplated poutine, but that's kind of simple. So what we're going to do is something anime related because I'm a weeb. But also, Loki, can you stop? We're gonna do this Sailor Moon. Will you stop? We're gonna do this pattern. It is Sailor Moon. It's a template. I just got it off of Pinterest. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut out the moon completely and then just have Usagi as the kind of chipped, where they chip off the hard skin layer and just let the light kind of shine through. Does that make any sense? I don't think it does. So, first things first, we have to open up our pumpkin. And I have a whole kit. I'm not going to use the things that come with it, the templates, but I am going to use these guys. Got this for like $7 at my local pharmacy. Overpriced, most definitely. Never seen anything scary in your entire life than me holding a knife. Okay, just kind of, whoops. Oops. Loki, we're trying to have fun carving pumpkin time and you're kind of ruining it. Can you stop crying? I'm trying to carve a pumpkin. Rude. There we go. Haha! Success. Is there any special things that I should know that I am not aware of when it comes to pumpkin things? Loki has left the building. I'm going to cut a little slit here so that the smoke from the candle can get out. And I'm going to save the seeds because I like pumpkin seeds. And I'm going to use a giant scoop. And we are going to start degutting our pumpkin. And I want to take as many of the seeds as possible. If you've never baked pumpkin seeds, I highly suggest it. Look at all those. Okay. I'm going to get a lot of the seeds out, and then I'm going to start de-gutting it. Because I feel like it's easier to get all the seeds out first, and then start the gutting process. That's a lot of seeds. That's gonna be delicious. Now I'm going to take our thing and I'm going to start the scraping. And I was told by my mother that the thinner you scrape the inside, the easier carving it is, which makes sense because it would be thinner than had you otherwise done it. And also all the gutty bits will be out, so it will be not as stringy. So I'll be back when it is gutted, and then we will continue with the pumpkin festivities. Alrighty, so pumpkin is empty. That only took 10 years of my life. So here is our usagi. I'm basically going to sketch it out. I should put you somewhere else so you can see me do this. So we're going to not carve on this side because this is all bent up and weird. I'm gonna carve it about here because this looks like the best spot. You see that? That's from Loki. That's from Loki's little foot. Okay, so I'm going to take Usagi and I'm going to, it came with a little marker. I don't know, does this come off easy? Okay, so yeah, we're gonna use this marker and I'm basically gonna sketch the top and the bottom first of our moon. And hopefully you can see. I'm gonna go around like that. And I have to keep in mind that her foot is gonna go down below the moon. Alright, 5 minutes later we have the basic shape of the moon because I am very slow. So I'm going to basically just try to do the whole sketch in this marker. And then I will come back to you to finish. Yes. So I decided I'm going to walk you through how I do this a little bit because it is kind of a very specific silhouette that we're going for, and the carving part's not going to be that difficult, I don't think, but the drawing it is going to be a little bit. So what I'm doing basically is I put the circle for her head, her torso shapes, and then the dots for her joints on her wrist, elbow, shoulder, and knee and ankle. And her other knee goes to right behind this one right here. And that's just mapping it out so that I can draw the lines a little bit more accurately. And I'm going to start mapping it out even more in detail for her legs and things like that. Okay, so I have her basic outline done, and this pen is driving me insane because every time I set my hand down, it picks it up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with I'm going to take something, what am I doing? Oh crap, I just broke it. How putting it back in its cat. Break it. See what it just did? Look at that. It just actually split the tip by putting it back in its case. Okay, lovely. Loving that. I'm gonna take one of these guys and I'm gonna start to indent where I want my stuff to be. Not exactly carving it yet, but just getting it in there so that I know what I'm doing. New plan. I'm gonna take a thumbtack and I'm going to dot the places that I want indented. I'm not gonna go too deep though, because I know for a fact I'm not taking all of this completely out of the pumpkin. Alright, so I don't know if you can see it on camera, but we have a very faint outline from push pinning it. Took forever and a day, but now we are going to start by taking out the moon piece. And I'm trying to decide if I should use this or if I should try to find something we have. Okay, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this little guy and kind of start the cut so that the other guy will actually fit in. Don't kick the camera stand. Oh, pieces didn't come out. Okay. Now to clean it up. Okay. We have our first piece out. And at this point in time, I can tell you with almost 100% guarantee that we are not going to be able to just chip this out and have it go all the way through. Do you see how thick? That's like an inch thick of pumpkin right there. And I did not think this through as well as I thought I did. So that's great. Keep on trucking. Alright, another chunk of the moon. One more chunk of the moon now to go. Alright, last moon chunk. Now, for the chipping, and I don't know how I'm gonna do this. How should I do this? Let me put it down. Guess whose phone died? So, I talked to a source of mine who happens to also be a mother of mine, and she said to take the tool and, well, she said use a spoon. I'm gonna use a knife and kind of start it. I'm gonna go around the outline first to get it started, and then take a spoon and scrape it to get the skin exposed, because that's what we're wanting here. We're wanting the skin to be gone so that we have the yellow part exposed. I'm not really gonna try to go to get her whole, to do the thing where the light comes through. I'm just getting it so that there's contrast, because I know it's gonna take forever with this thick pumpkin to get the light to show through. So that's what we're doing for plan B. So, this is what we got. Now we start the scraping with the spoon. How does this work? I feel like you kind of take the layer off. I don't understand. Oh, this is gonna take forever. Oh yeah. Now we're getting somewhere. Okay, so I finished up with the knife, and then I took one of these guys and I took the tip right here and I just smoothed it out so that it would be all nice. And look at what we did. I'm so excited. It turned out really good, but we don't exactly know how well it turned out until we put a candle in it. In the sky. Okay, got our tea light, got our lighter. Little B-roll footage for y'all. Into our pumpkin. Is it gonna die? No, he good. Back on, it's gonna have to sit like that because it doesn't want to sit any other way. And now all we have to do is turn off the lights. Yay! I don't know how well you can see it, but you can actually see Usagi with this. Can you see that? Can you see it at all? Maybe if I turn on one light. You can actually see her glowing and this in the background, but you can't on camera because my camera's dumb. But look how good it turned out. Look at that. There's some spots that were a little bit messed up. I can admit that. But overall, I think it's really cute and I'm really happy. So that is all I have for you guys today. Thank you for watching me carve my little pumpkin friend. Now it gets to go on the porch and rot. But I'm really happy with how it turned out. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.